We're going to do a little quick surprise of Tuesday fabrics, and let me just show them to you briefly. This is 100% cotton. It's a navy eyelet woven, very pretty. Both sides are usable. You can definitely tell that one side is better, but boy, it's a navy, and so you could really get away with doing some kind of wrap that was the same. Very pretty. This is a 100% viscose, Italian viscose. It's got great drape. It's a woven. It's perfect for a little blouse. And of course, yellow is just everywhere right now. So, and it's, you know, it's been coming in, but it's really taken hold this year, this spring. This is a beautiful little lace. It's a woven. It's a cotton poly blend. So pretty. Again, both sides are usable, but just pretty. I did a little jean jacket, if you remember that one that I did, a little navy jean jacket. And then this would be great for a little pant to go with. Or, you know, I mean, it's a stretch woven. It's a cotton poly. Just as cute as can be. Just great feel, great drape, beautiful piece. All these are $12.99 today and tomorrow. $12.99, yay! And then this is a cotton poly, beautiful navy. Really great drape, perfect for a little jacket. Max's jacket that we just did, if you're looking to do a navy jacket, I think navy jackets are just really super versatile. This would be perfect for it. So you have a great hand there, and then a striped little blouse to go with. Very pretty, 100% cotton. This is not a printed, but a woven, because the colors won't bleed, simply because the fibers are woven. The threads are dyed and then woven, not stamped on. So very pretty fabric, especially at $12.99. These prices are just hopefully amazing. So happy Tuesday sewing from Silhouette Patterns.